name is Lema Ochoa,
And my name is Cesar Reyes.
and today we're going to show you how to prepare chloroform.
We will need 200 milliliters of the cheapest bleach you can find and 10 milliliters of the cheapest acetone you can find.
We also need a tapier, a measurement instrument, and a syringe. And for our protection, we're going to use gloves and mask.
The reason why we choose the cheapest reagent is because commercial bleach and acetone has products like oil and fragrances or dyes and make the reagents impure. Now, let's start with the process. First, we pour 10 milliliters of acetone into our measurement instrument.
Almost. More. Done.
And that's all. Now, we pour the milliliters into the top jar with the bleach that we have previously measured. Remembering it's 200 milliliters, and swirl. You have to be careful when you manipulate this solution because the reaction is exothermic. So, if you take the top jar directly and for a long time, you could burn yourself. So be careful. That's why we have the gloves. Okay.
This reaction takes 8 hours to be completed. But if you want to accelerate the process, you can take the tapier with the solution into an ice bucket.
Now, the process will take just 1 hour.
After an hour, we can see the chloroform at the bottom of the tapier.
It's that clear liquid down there. Can you see it? Okay. Now,
To get the chloroform, we will use a syringe.
you have to be wearing your masks and if you can your glasses because it's a very volatile liquid and it can make you cry or you know what chloroform does. It's what murderers use sometimes to punish people and do bad things. And here it is. That's why we're here. Then you have to seal it quickly and store it into a cold place because you know it's volatile and we want it liquid, not gaseous. As you see, we have almost 2 milliliters, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's all. Almost 2 milliliters is what we get with 200 milliliters of bleach and 10 milliliters of acetone.
So it's done.
It's done. And there it is, chloroform. We have stored it into the fridge because, as you know, this substance is volatile. That means that if we keep it in room temperature, the substance will begin to evaporate and we want it liquid. If you can see, the top is starting
being inflated because it already has begun to evaporate. To explain the reaction, when the sodium hypochlorite is combined with the acetone, it produces chloroform when the chlorines in the hypochlorite are combined with a methyl group of the acetone. And we also get sodium hydroxide and sodium acetate when the sodium of the sodium hypochlorite is combined with the carboxylic part. We cannot see it in the solution because they are dissolved into the solution, and chloroform is insoluble, so that's why we can extract it with the syringe. There is the tap inflated. That's what I was telling you, and that's why I must store it again. So that was our experiment, and I hope you enjoy it.